Welcome to this detailed guide on creating a sticky sidebar or fixed widget in WordPress in just a few minutes. In this tutorial, you will learn how to log into WordPress, navigate the site editor, and adjust widget settings so that your sidebar remains fixed as visitors scroll through your site. Begin by accessing your WordPress website. Open your browser and go to the main WordPress page. Once the page loads, look toward the top right corner of your screen where you will find a login option. Clicking on login will bring you to the authentication screen, ready to get you started with the necessary tools. After selecting login, you will be presented with the option to use your Google account. By clicking on continue with Google, simply choose the correct account from the list provided on your device. This simple action quickly authenticates your identity and allows you to continue editing your site without any additional hassle. Once you are logged in, navigate to the quick links section located on your site dashboard. In this section, you will see an option labeled Edit Site. Click on that link to open the WordPress site editor. This editor is where you can change the design and functionality of your website, making it a crucial tool for customizing your site's look and feel. Now that you have entered the site editor interface, direct your attention to the top left corner. Here you will notice a plus icon which is used to add new blocks to your layout. Clicking on this icon initiates the process of enhancing your site layout, and you are ready to make further customizations. After clicking the plus icon, a prompt appears where you need to type in the word group. This step is essential because it organizes your new components into a unified block, keeping your design neat and consistent. With the group block created, the next step involves choosing a column. This allows you to structure your page layout and create a dedicated area for the sidebar. Once the column is selected, you will need to add your sidebar. Go ahead and click the plus icon again and then type in sidebar. This action adds the sidebar block into your design layout. After adding the sidebar, make sure to click on it so that you can access its settings and further refine its behavior. With the sidebar block selected, look over to the right panel where various configuration options are displayed. In this panel, locate the position field and click on it. This field controls where your sidebar sits relative to the rest of the page content. When you click on position, you will be given different display options. Among the options presented, the default setting is active. The next step is to change this default value to sticky. This adjustment ensures that the sidebar remains in a fixed position as visitors scroll down your web page, making navigation and access to important widgets more convenient. After making this change, be sure to save your work by clicking on Save. Saving your settings finalizes the new behavior of the sidebar, and your site now features a sticky sidebar ready for use. By following these steps, you have successfully enhanced your WordPress website with a fixed widget that improves user experience and keeps key navigation elements visible at all times. This completes the process for creating a sticky sidebar in WordPress. Enjoy the improved functionality and modern look of your newly updated site.